Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today inside this video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys a really useful website for getting apps that are not supposed to be on the App Store. Now, I was originally going to make this video a really long time ago, but unfortunately, I just never got around to doing it. When I made that video about Mflix, I ended up finding out about it because a fan thought I got it from the website, but in fact, I never even heard of it. And then the developer contacted me, and I took a look at his website, and I actually really liked it. And I told him I'm eventually going to get around to making a video on his website. So it's a little late. Actually, it's like extremely late. But here goes nothing. Anyways, guys, if this website does go down, please do remember that's because it was not meant to handle this much traffic, because a lot of times when I do videos on these types of websites, they go down within an hour of uploading the video. It is not my fault. It is not the developer's fault either. It is because too many people have went on the website at once, and it just simply could not handle it. So anyways, without further ado, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm clearly on my iPhone now. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this video. I'm going to go ahead, open up Safari, and go straight to the link inside of the description. This is the website right here. Really amazing website. When I first seen this, I couldn't believe that this was actually made. I believe Tweakbox has actually tried doing something like this, but they just couldn't keep it updated. So hopefully in a month from now, the developer will actually continue to update this website and actually make it useful, like to where it's constantly being updated with a bunch of other stuff. So if we go ahead and click on an icon, as you guys can see, it automatically brings us straight over to the App Store, which is really nice. So if we go ahead and go back, for some reason I don't have breadcrumbs. I don't know why. I guess it's because I'm screen recording. We can go to music. Here's going to be some music downloaders. I'm assuming they're going to be downloading it, because if they're not downloading any music, I don't see the reason in having it on here. We can go to phone cleaners, which are also extremely useful apps. They let you clean out your storage, making it to have more space. And then here's screen recorders on the App Store. For example, if I hit Record, yes, they have a version of it on the App Store, but it only supports iOS 11. In case you guys didn't know that, that is the reason why I never made a video on it, because I just never seen a reason in doing it. So we can keep scrolling through all of the different categories that are actually on here. For example, sports, social network cleaners, counters, filters, and all that other good stuff. They even have video downloaders, which I haven't done a video on one of video downloader in an extremely long time. But yeah, there it is. But yeah, the absolutely amazing website. I get a lot of people send me their websites all the time, and this was actually one of the first websites I've actually wanted to do a video on. But that's going to be just about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out.